So I've had this sat in my loft for over 20 years now. I've actually got another one, a 3032 version. This is the 3016, which means it has 16 kilobytes of RAM. And I unearthed this one from the loft and thought, do you know what? I'm actually going to see if it works. So I took it to my friend's place and we checked the capacitors, obviously, checked the power supply, and then decided to power it up. And what we were getting is this display on the screen. Now, keyboard inputs appear to work, but they're not perfect. And you can sort of make out the Commodore Basic text top. So there is life, and there is hope that it could actually work. Now, I took a look online and there's loads of information about the Commodore PET, but it's like really difficult to actually find the exact information for this exact model. This is one of the earlier models, 1977, if I remember rightly. So information about it is fairly limited, but we did manage to find out that the problem could be with the RAM itself, specifically the video RAM. So after poring over some circuit diagrams for the unit itself, I identified which two chips are actually the video RAM chips. There's two of them. Now what you can do to test them is if you remove both chips and then pop one chip back in, if that chip is working, you will get the garbled display like this. If you move it to the other socket, you'll also get a garbled display, but with a sort of a negative appearance. So in other words, you'd have like a white background, or well, green background rather. Rather than fiddle about with that, we actually replaced both of these chips that you can see on the screen here. They are in sockets UF7 and UF8, and the end result is this, a fully working PET. Now we just need to restore the case.